Hello, this is Roba Fitzpatrika, author of the Mom Test. I hope you'll be able to join me on Sunday and Monday for a workshop and my talk, respectively. The talk's going to be covering some fascinating case studies about how teams have been able to continue with good first-hand customer conversations, even in the problematic scenarios that the team is scaling. People are scattered all over the world. The customers are very difficult to reach. They're cool stories and should give you some ideas that you can apply to your own team. On the Sunday, the day before, in the workshop, we're going to go deep into both business model design and the practical hands-on skills of running good customer interviews. We're going to combine all this to be able to pick out the risks in our product, to design stronger monopoly effects, lock-in, retention, all of that, and to anchor it, of course, in good first-hand customer understanding of what our customers and our users need and care about and what's stopping them. Hope you'll be able to join.